Hey, it's Ben. I have this PlusRoc vent fan and motor. The company sent this to me, so let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to get it out of the box and see what's inside. First, I want to note just how well packaged this is. So with the fan blade, you obviously don't want the fan blade to arrive broken. It is plastic. So it's very well packaged. Here's your installation instructions. Here's the 6-inch fan blade intact, in good shape. So this is a pretty sturdy plastic. So that's the fan blade. Let's get the motor out. There is a bracket that helps you have some versatile ways you can install it. And then here's the motor, which comes with a pretty lengthy wire. So the bracket will affix to the motor by placing it like this, and then you can use the included screws to mount the motor to the bracket. And the instructions give you some ideas on how you can attach that. So we have a bag of zip ties and screws and bolts to help with the installation. Once this is fixed in place, there's a notched circle, so the fan blade will just push right down onto, just like that. So installation is pretty straightforward. You have your positive and negative wire, your bracket, your motor, and your fan blade. For mounting, if you, where you're putting this does not accommodate screws, you can use the zip ties in these holes. Zip tie them around a bracket or a bar. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.